swagger. This operation will proceed as I dictate.
I can see we'll get along delicately. Don't you agree?
Yes, I'm sure. May we now proceed? A massive looming failure has been reported in your area. Lighting levels will be sub-optimal.
So much for that father!
Contain!
That's the multi ended! Shotgunner! Close quick, we've got them all! Down the multi!
Oh, music has faced my judgment! Stop, shotgunner!
Wow!
Rock Psycho!
Look out! They're charging!
Pacifier in position!
The inner void is large and our time limited. We'll need to restore power to the lateral shuttle in order to access the foundry plex's heart.
I'm sure the varlets will handle the repairs.
Indeed. I stand ready to be suitably amazed.
Cadia fell in places like this endure.
Justice for all that we can afford! Look out! It's going to explode! Take the blade!
This way!
Killing it!
Submit!
I think it's time to find cover!
Shotgunner!
I think we have to cover! New target!
Green
Your shotgunner! I am beyond you!
What became of the foundry plex's electro priests? Its artisans and rune priests.
We have some pie treasures!
Carol, get back! Retreat! Will not stop! The kills from the criminal!
The battle's exploding! Got some Malachi here! Beauty is coming gold!
Beauty's dead!
Strength good! Skill is better!
Castillo!
Most energizing strobe.
Cockburster, charge it! Now that's the best!
On time! It's dirty! Look out! Drop it! Sighting it! This is our power! Gallows your priority! Hello! Oh, Tommy, there you're cozy! There! Box faster!
So my readings confirm. What harm have you visited on this marvel?
Calm yourself, dear lady. As long as the feeling synchronistor is reset in time. We have an overload. Need to...
The bolt explode!
too slow. Begin the sequence again.
No more fussy!
God, shotgun! Revolting thing!
Get clear of the barrel!
The color's blow is well delivered! The blood sputter has done this!
Get back! Hulkbuster! Yes!
Bunch of dead!
Precision fire! Simpletons, I need help!
Shot mine!
Thank you! Get shock on her!
In the head! Fine placement! Make way!
How long?
Medicate station! Hulkbuster!
I see you're envious of what many are.
I still find it improbable that an individual like you could uncover the Foundryplex's location.
Ah, but people like talking to me. I must have one of those faces. One you can confide.
For the throne!
Very convincing, I'm sure. Remember that you tread holy ground. Serve the Omnissiah proudly until you meet grisly unfunction.
I'll linger here a while. I didn't want to get in your way.
I want the gunner! The
cannot return from here.
True, the foundry plex is lifeless for now, but I'm confident we can restore it to vigor.
Accepted gladly.
Target sighted! Another target, go!
You do know that it's not really a conclave calling for shots. You can't outmaneuver the Inquisition.
Yeah, that arrogance is a definite plus.
Really? And what else do you have going for you?
Turf advantage! No one knows Tertium better than us. Holy! Get that sniper off! Off that shotgunner!
Shotgunner!
Aimlessly!
Don't share that firepower! Getting close!
Taken care of. There's enough in it, ugly. Now it won't die.
Aim for the head! Blow it apart!
Can't hold forward! Heads up! Come
Let the machine spirit awaken. Coax it forth.
I'd start by hitting that activator.
Error localized. The failure point is located somewhere above you. Attend. Redress.
Beauty! Take respite while you can.
Medicaid station! Get all the hounds!
The old girl doesn't want to wake up, does she?
I do not care for your levity.
Which places you in abundant, if not necessarily discerning company. I shall endeavor to soldier on.
220 engaged!
Justice Minoris, 9-1!
Varlets, slash sparkly eyes. Machine will work. Understood.
Precision is serving you well. Watch out! Faster! Make way! An impressive body count, criminal!
Function. Returning to acceptable levels. Proceed to the Suprarium mechanics.
I did disable the auto defenses, by the way. I'm sure you missed it with all that was going on.
God sends for ya!
Tranquility
Always gratifying to see one's labors reported with results.
Then we may proceed with the production of Novian steel.
If I control the team to start things moving, I'll handle the rest from the control room here.
Concentrate! some more!
Creature looks not so clever now, eh, Trapper? Get it back down, go there!
Kill the gunner! Sectors Minoris 105!
Pitiful! Relying on grenades!
107 in sight!
If its torment is over, we slaughtered the hound!
Kill that 9-1! Sectors Minoris 9-1!
Won't be a problem now!
Western Front! Tear apart!
ritual is complete. Behold the glory of Lobian steel. I shall see it is put to good use.
Don't worry about me. I'll find my own way back.
I see you, Gunner.
Whoa, that's a good shot!
Throwing mine!
Oh, my son!
Criminal can kill! That monster's never in doubt.
I ain't doing this for your approval!
Pacification zone in effect!